I want to know who makes the thickest slime. So I guess it's time for a slime showdown. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys what the top 5 thick slimes in my collection are. It's just my personal opinion based on how I like my thick slimes. They're of course thick, clicky, stretchy, and of course have some other wow factor. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5. Cereal Milk by Parakeet Slimes. This is an iconic thick slime that is relatively stretchy and clicky, but the scent is a pretty common cereal milk scent and the color is white. Number 4. Cotton Candy Milk by Blushing BB Slimes. This slime is a really unique slime that came in 2 colors originally, pink and blue, and then I mixed them so they became purple. It's nice and clicky, but not so much stretchy. Comment down below what you think the thickest slime out there is, because I would love to know. And if you are enjoying this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a like so I know to keep making this series. Number 3. Cow Cream by Audie's Slimes. For my top 3, it's really just down to personal preference because all of these slimes meet my criteria, I guess. They're all thick, stretchy, clicky, and have some other amazing wow factor that I really love. This one is such a bright and vibrant white, and it's just so much fun to play with, makes amazing bubble pops. Number 2. Banana Milk by Scented Slime by Amy. This slime smells so good, and that is really what makes this slime stand out. It doesn't smell like artificial at all. It's really a nice banana scent for a super thick and glossy slime that is so much fun to play with. Number 1. The Giant Peach by Bookshelf Slimes. Now this slime is a queen. It's so much fun to poke, stretch, play with. Honestly, it's amazing. It's holdable and smells so good. Mouth-wateringly good. It smells like a peach and it's just delicious, and you need this slime in your life if you don't have it already. And those are all my favorite thick slimes. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified if you like these slime showdowns. I plan on doing many more of them, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, I really think you will like seeing my favorite butter slimes, so check out my slime showdown video. Tap or click the screen to watch that. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.